Give you a brush down.
Meet Todd.
I live in Filey and I work down at the Sea Life Centre.
We introduced him to mindfulness.
It's about learning how to be okay with yourself as you are. So it's more, if you can think about it more in terms of an underlying peace of mind rather than sort of happiness in the everyday sense. You can allow the breath to return to its natural rhythm in and out through the nose.
It's meditation without religion or any hippie trimmings.
And again.
Are you going to do your meditation?
Yes. I'll give it a damn good go.
Do you think it'll do anything? Do you think it'll make you a happier person in a week?
Well, you never know. It might do, because one of my things, as I was saying in there, was that I often struggle to sleep because my mind is just wandering and it's all over the place.
Sometimes it's just going for a walk, clearing your head. But this meditation, this mindfulness, is a little bit different. Meet Damien, a man who can seemingly turn happiness on.
Hi Damien, are you okay in there?
To Dr. Elena Antonova, Templeton Research Fellow in Positive Neuroscience, Damien's brain is beautiful. And she thinks it's because he's looked after it by keeping stress at bay.
The most detrimental thing for brain health, for neuronal health, is stress. Hormone cortisol is very destructive.
I'm just bewildered by this. This is incredible. You can change the shape of your brain.
Yes, absolutely, yes.
And you can see it here.
We can see it on the brain scan, yes.
Did anyone notice a difference once you started meditating?
My family, more than anyone. Just that I had less anxiety, I was calmer.
So what's going on in there? This scan shows he can switch his mental states from this.
This network here in mind wandering, that's the network which is activated when we get caught up in generating our virtual reality, you know, our daydreaming and our worrying as well.
To this.
Mindfulness is about opening that filter, about being connected to what's going on without fearing it or without anticipating something amazing. You know, it's a state of happy contentment.
Those red areas, a scatter of thoughts, worry or daydreaming. This, the bit of the brain open to what's going on around us. And Damien switches at will. So, what about Todd?
Well, a few days have gone by now. Let's see how they've all been getting on. Todd's in here.
I have my doubts and slightly dubious over it, but I actually think I've gained something from it. It allows you to kind of step back a little bit and clear your head. And it's not in your head, but it also, I think it helps with your body as well. You feel a lot calmer.
Breathe, feel, listen. Simple, but your brain may thank you for it. David Siletto, BBC News, Scarborough.